Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically add new apps to your home screen on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my home screen on my Android phone. And first thing first, we need to go to the home screen setting. You can tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen and then the screen will look like this. Then you have to choose the setting. Okay, and after the home screen setting has been opened, we can scroll down until we find the add new apps to home screen feature. And if we want to automatically add new apps to our home screen, we have to activate this feature. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, anytime you install application or install new application on your Android mobile phone, the application will be automatically added to your home screen. So you don't need to add it manually to your home screen one by one. The application you have installed on your Android phone will be automatically added to your home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can automatically add new apps to home screen on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.